How about a homemade soda pop that is so healthy for you? It's got no sugar. The more of it you drink, the healthier you're going to be. And you don't have to go out and buy one of those machines or whatever that just carbonates the water for you. So let me show you with just a few ingredients. If you're excited about that, a medicinal soft drink that you can have just, oh my God, those cravings you get. It's like, I need a soda. This is it. So if you're excited about that, subscribe to the YouTube, like, and drop a comment. Especially tell me you're going to try this. I'd love to hear that. Okay? So let's get started. Okay, so first, carbonated water. Get sparkling water. I just get cans because it's cheapest. And the only ingredient, you need to look at the ingredient. Make sure the only ingredient listed is carbonated water. If it's got anything else, don't get it. Don't get the flavored stuff because then it's going to have sugar and other ingredients that are not good for you and it kind of defeats the purpose. You know what I mean? Okay, so once you have here, I opened up a can, poured it in. I don't think I need to show how I do that. Everyone knows how to pour a can of something into a glass. So that's the first thing. I've got my sparkling water there, my carbonated water. The next ingredient is going to be apple cider vinegar. I like Bragg's. This is raw. It's never heated. It's very good for your gut along with other things, your pancreas and so on. So I'll just do a splash. You can measure out like maybe a tablespoon. So that's about it. That's probably about a tablespoon. And then I've got this lemon here. You could juice a lemon, I suppose, but I've really been liking this lemon essential oil. Very concentrated. It just takes a drop. Just one. There we go. Got a drop. And then oil of oregano. Gonna do again just one drop. There we go. So the lemon, by the way, among other things, it'll raise your pH levels, bring you to a healthy pH balance. Very detoxifying for your blood, and your blood is what delivers nutrients to your entire body. The oil of oregano, it's nature's most powerful antibiotic. In fact, I've read in a journal somewhere, I don't remember where, that it's actually more potent than the antibiotics you would get a prescription from your doctor. So why aren't they using this? Well, I think we know the answer to that because it doesn't come from a pharmaceutical company. And the pharmaceutical companies set the curriculum for the doctors, and the pharmaceutical companies buy the politicians through legalized bribery, so they legislate in their favor, and that's how we have the medical care that we have. But that's another video for another day. I've got plenty of those videos too. So that's it. The sparkling water, where the only ingredient is carbonated water, a splash of Bragg's apple cider vinegar, 1 drop of lemon oil, essential oil, and 1 drop of oil of oregano. So now you actually have to stir this because those little droplets they don't settle in here. And if you were to drink this and you get that concentrated droplet in your mouth, it's too much, man. It'll burn your mouth. I'm not kidding. So you just stir it up with a fork, knife, spoon, whatever, butter knife, I guess if you use a knife. And check this out. Oh my God. Oh, wow. That tastes so good, and there's no sugar in it. And this is just medicine, and it tastes unbelievably good. So try it out. And there's other oils and other things you can do to experiment with it and make up all kinds of different flavors, but this is just a real simple basic one. I wanted to expose you to and plant that seed, and I mean, you can be creative from here. Just if you go into essential oils, there's some that's really great for ingestion. There's others that is not so good for ingestion, but maybe a topical thing or maybe a diffuser. So make sure you know what oil is good for what. These you can ingest. I know they're safe. I know they're good for me. So try it out. And with that, feel free to share this video, subscribe, comment, like, and more videos coming very, very soon. This is a lot of fun. All right, take care, everybody. Love yas. Mwah. So good. So good. Is this transferring across the video waves? Even if it is, it's not going to do it justice. You just need to try this. It is so good. Oh, yeah. All right, bye, everybody. Mwah.